What's up, guys? Welcome to Extreme Daily Drivers. We are always balling on a budget and wrenching our garage. It is Review Wednesday, Review Saturday, and I got a new toy in the mail. Let's open it up and see what it is. So let's take a quick look to see what's in the box. Get her opened up. Check it out. GPS unit. Come on. Very nicely packaged. Woo, look at this thing. Oh, yes. How cool is that? So let's see what else is in here. Got a plastic piece, cigarette charger, and a suction cup mounting bracket. Oh, there's more. There's a little adapter, USB, and a user manual. So whenever you get a device like this, the most important thing to me is how intuitive it is. How easy is it to use? How easy is it to set up? So I'm going to go ahead and quickly look through the directions, but I'm going to see how easy I can just figure this out on my own without actually having to refer to the user manual. This has got to clip to the back of this. So I got the two indents down here. I got two indents here. That tells me that this is going to have to hook into this like that. And we got two indents up here. So I know I got the bracket on right. So this piece is going to slide in the back of the backing plate and it's going to click up. There it goes. Got to pull on it a little hard, but it'll get there. So there you go. She's all set up. That was super easy. Let's get in the car. Alright guys, I had to bring her inside. Dude, it's like 95 degrees outside. It's super hot and I'm not going to sit in the car with the air conditioning going and ruining probably the video with the background noise. So we're inside for now. Alright, this is much better. I'm inside. I can control the lighting. I can control the background noise. I got a nice cold drink. And we can go over the features of this GPS inside for a couple reasons. Number one is the GPS has a built-in battery, so if you charge it up long enough, this thing can go cordless for quite some time. And number two, it comes with a USB charger, which I actually have a USB charger on the side of the kitchen island here, so we can charge it up and review some of the features and functions of this thing, because I was playing with it in the car, and it's pretty darn cool. Alright, so I got this thing plugged in, it's charging. You can see here the little indicator light here on the battery life. And on the main screen, you got a bunch of different features here. Navigation, that's obviously the one you're going to be using the most to figure out where you're going to go. Music, if you want to download music on this device, you can, and it'll play it back. Video, I believe you can do the exact same thing. You can store photos on this. Ebook, flash, games, favorite, calculator, unit converter, FM, and language. So they're pretty self-explanatory what they are. I'm not going to go through every single feature that this thing does. That's what the instruction manual is for. I'm going to go over the cool features though, the things that I'll be using on a regular basis. So this is a navigation menu. This is where you're going to be spending most of your time. But before we go ahead and try to find a destination and actually get a GPS route there, I want to go ahead and turn the sound off that this thing makes. You hear that click noise? That's going to be here in sound and warnings and volume. And then down here, key, mute. You can test some of the other sounds in here. Voice.
Have a nice trip, drive carefully.
I'm going to turn it down a little bit.
Have a nice trip, drive carefully.
Maybe one more.
Have a nice trip, drive carefully.
Okay, that's better for me. And you can change the voice too, which we're going to get into in a minute. But anyway, back. So no more clicking. And yeah, here's the voice language. So this thing's going to be able to play a whole bunch of different voices and languages. And so I was playing with this in the car. It's pretty interesting. I mean, you can really... What's this sound like?
Gute Reise, fahren Sie vorsichtig.
Okay. We got English, so this is going to be Australian. So I'm expecting something about...
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Oh man, I thought it was going to be something about shrimp on a Barbie.
Have a nice trip, drive carefully.
That's a nice voice. I like that one. Their name too, so that one's Jennifer. Let's hear what Karen sounds like Australian.
Have a nice trip, drive carefully.
Also good. How about Kate from England?
Have a nice trip, drive carefully.
Alright, okay. James from England.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Alright, let's get down to English. Here we go. Dave. Dave from America.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Yeah, he sounds like a robot. How about Amy?
Have a nice trip, drive carefully.
Why is Amy so loud? Why is she so loud? That is such an American stereotype. Unbelievable. Let's see here.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Dave seems really smart.
Have a nice trip, drive carefully. carefully.
Susan kind of sounds like she might have some issues, so we're not going to use him. I'm going back to the Australian voice. I think it was Amy I liked the best, or Jen.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Definitely the best. I'm sticking with Jen. Jen from Australia, you win. Alright, so I'm just toying around in the sound and warnings section, and there is actually a verbosity level, which I'm assuming is set on verbose, minimal, compact. I'm guessing it's the level of communication that they actually do, which is kind of neat. I actually like less talking, so I'm going to go with compact. Start configuration wizard? What is this? Oh, okay, we already did this. Oh, there's a next. Okay. Distance. Okay, this is kind of neat. I'm going to go back to the beginning here. Alright, so this is going to kind of help set this thing up for us. And it's starting off with Jennifer from Australia. Let's just make sure it's the right voice.
Nice trip. Drive carefully.
Definitely the right voice. Next. Distance. Miles or feet. We could probably change this. Miles or yards. Kilometers and meters. Miles and feet. We're in America, so we're going to use that. Fuel economy is going to be miles per gallon. Yes. Weight. Metric ton. Long ton. Short ton. I guess we leave it on metric. Currency. Well, we'll leave that blank. Time format are going to be hours with AM or PM, and probably can do 24 hours. Yep. All right, let's go to next. Vehicle. We got to change this. Let's go ahead and modify this. All right, so we do have car. Let's see what else we can choose. Oh, what is all this? Car, miles per gallon, fuel consumption, petrol engine, diesel, hybrid. That's kind of neat. So gas, yeah. Max speed 81. Come on, we can go faster than that. All right, let's name our car. We're going to be using this in the XB. Oops. So we're going to call it the box. Done. All right, guys. I went into map sections here to find the 3D vehicle gallery because I want to change my car on the menu to something besides a pointer. And if you click on it, you'll get a bunch of different options. So this is a default. Look, there are 25 different options. A dude on a bike, a semi, a dune buggy, a bus. That looks like an old American car, sedan, some dude on a motorcycle. Oh man, that looks like an ambulance. You could be just a lady walking around, or a dude on a magic flying carpet. How cool is that? A delivery truck? There's a guy. And dude, check this out. A Scion XB! They have it in their minivan, but dude, that is the XB all day, Gen 1. You know we're picking this one. All right, so I think we've played around with this thing enough. We know how it works. I've cooled down. Let's get it in the car and let's actually go somewhere. All right, in the XB, I got the unit. Let's plug this into the cigarette lighter, put this on the windshield, and turn this baby on. All right, guys, so check this out. While you're actually en route to your destination, it gives you a whole bunch of information. What I like is a giant directional arrow telling me when my next turn is going to be. It's also giving me a really big letter to speed of the road, and if I go over the speed, the actual speed limit will turn red, indicating that I'm speeding in the area. Now the speed limit on this road is 35, and I'm currently going the same speed as everybody else. We're not going to get over how fast I'm going, but there's also a destination bar all the way to the left telling me how long or how much longer I have to go on the trip. It tells me the name of the road that I'm on, as well as the distance in miles and the time left on the journey. So there are two GPS map displays to choose from. There is a 2-dimensional one and a 3-dimensional one. I'm kind of an old school guy, so I like the 2-dimensional view better than the 3-dimensional. So another really cool feature that this GPS offers is red light cameras. If there's a red light camera along the way of your route, it'll actually show up on the GPS. All right, guys, we made it to our destination. I know it's not the most glamorous place in the world, but unfortunately, it looks like we're still closed for another week. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. First off, I want to thank Joyce for sending me this Samyoung GPS unit. The thing is pretty sweet, and for only $59 off of Amazon, it's a great deal. If you're anything like me, you're a little leery of flying this time of year, so road trips are your best option for vacation. And you know what? I know your phone's got GPS, but it kills the battery, especially if you got an iPhone. So go ahead and get one of these standalone GPS units, make your life a lot easier, and save the battery on your cell phone. Hit me up with a comment below if you like this video. And if you're a company out there who would like me to review your product, you go ahead and send me an email to extremedailyDrivers@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to talk to you about doing a video review. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.